Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang energies ng inyong kaperahan ngayong March 2026. So this is a general reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. And another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat sa mga scammers and fake accounts. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Yung link nasa description or sa comment section. Okay, Taurus, let's see ano yung energy ng inyong kaperahan for March 2026. Okay, so you have now this, and then Gabo, and also Ahwas. Okay, merong travel opportunities for you ngayong March for your career. Kasi horse energy tong Ahwas. So, pwedeng, since year of the horse ngayon, so pwedeng mas, ngayong 2026, starting ngayong March, you will notice na mapapansin mo parang ang bilis ng takbo ng career mo, or magiging very busy ka, marami kang mga aasikasuhin, pwedeng may mga pinagsasabay-sabay ka na mga tasks or trabaho or business. Alam mo yun, so pwedeng nakakapagod ngayong March for you. But this is also about teamwork. So pwedeng meron ring tumutulong sa'yo to make things happen for your career or for your business. And then you have Elhas. Elhas kasi is about protection. Okay? So of course, hindi porket busy ka, parang medyo magiging kampante ka sa mga taong nakakasama mo kasi hindi naman yan lahat merong magandang intentions towards you. So, this is you na following your instinct, your intuition. If there is something off sa sitwasyon mo sa trabaho, sa business, career, then maghinay-hinay, okay? At maaring, yun nga, merong something off. So, be careful, okay? Yung mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. And another thing, this is also protection. So, pinoprotect rin yung energy mo when it comes to decision making, sa pakikisalamuha mo sa ibang tao. Mapapansin mo yan kasi mas, parang sensitive. No? Mas sensitive ka sa energy ng iba, sa intentions ng iba. Now, you have Gabo. Gabo is about happiness. This is about celebration, blessings, and gifts. So, dahil rin sa nagiging busy ka, mas maraming opportunities kasi, no, na dumarating for you. So, this can be a celebration rin for some of you. Meron kayong na-reach na achievement, or may goals kayo na marireach ngayong March. And it's time to celebrate. Have fun. Ayan. That's the Gabo energy. Iba sa inyo, meron din kayong marireceive na gift. Special gift. Ayan. Yung bang masasabi mo na yun yung gift from God, yun yung gift sa'yo ng universe, or like literal na ma-receive mo from someone. Okay, let's see what else for Taurus. March 2026. You have justice. So, pwedeng ito yung gift na marireceive mo if meron ka mga court cases related sa money, related sa trabaho, sa business, then you will be able to receive the good results. Now, you will also be more confident, no, sa sarili mo, mas malakas ang loob mo. Mas magiging palaban ka. Oo. Number 5, So 5 is about being there out in the open. Mas malakas ang loob, mas gustong mag-explore. Ayan. And then organization. So some of you, meron kayong mga plano, may mga gusto kayong ma-achieve for your business or career, pero hindi siya yung tipong iniisip mo lang. Ayan, gagawa ka talaga ng action, paplanuhin mo, paano mo yun maisa sa katuparan. And like what I mentioned sa inyo kanina, meron mga tao na willing to help you, to collaborate with you, to work with you, para mangyari yan. You have the 4 of Swords. So, meron ditong recovery, no? if nagkaroon kayo ng financial difficulties in the past, you are finally recovering. And I think part ng recovery ninyo is yung awareness ninyo na meron kayong kailangang gawing adjustments sa inyong spending. So, halimbawa, medyo napaggastos kayo, may maraming expenses nung nakaraan. So, ngayon, mas may control ka. Kasi alam mo na medyo naging pabaya pagdating sa spendings. So, ngayon, mas maingat ka. Pinag-iisipan mo ng maigi bago ka maglabas ng pera. You have the Two of Wands. So, there is a major decision when it comes to partnership. Business partnership for some of you, yung iba naman kahit romantic partner, pwedeng naiisip nyo na, uy, magnegosyo kaya tayo or sumubok tayo sa ganitong workplace. So, kumbaga, it's a decision concerning someone sa buhay mo na malapit rin sa'yo. Na, kumbaga, it's partnership nga, na hindi lang para sa'yo to. But, it's a decision na meron pang ibang taong involved. You have the Nine of Pentacles, so there's going to be stability sa mga pinupurso mo sa buhay ngayon, especially in your career, in your finances. I also see na mas magiging experimental ka sa mga pinapasok mong business, trabaho, or side hustle. You will also focus on your looks, no? So, maaring mas, alam mo yun, i-enhance mo yung looks mo, the way you present yourself to others, mas presentable. Ayan. You have the Ace of Pentacles. So, there's a new beginning, new opportunities coming up for you in your career. Pwedeng pagsisimula ng trabaho to. Or merong magbibigay sa inyo ng puhunan sa negosyo, or meron kayong resources for a business kung kayo ay magsisimulang magnegosyo ngayong March. O, diba? Sabi niya, may side hustle talaga kayo eh. So, you're going to explore additional income streams. May susubukan ka. So, i-identify mo rin kung ano yung marketable sa skills mo. So, kung saan mo siya pwedeng magamit, anong industry mo pwedeng magamit yung iyong skill set. Tapos, ima-market mo yan. Workplace relationship. So, you're going to foster positive relationships at work. Collaboration din with others. Oo, yun nga lang, sabi ko sa inyo, piliin nyo yung mga taong pagkakatiwalaan nyo at yung mga makakasama nyo sa trabaho. And if meron mang tao na hindi ka gusto sa kasama mo, umiwas ka na lang siguro. Kumbaga, be more professional na lang na, okay, kung meron kailangan kayong ayusin together or trabahuhin together, just be professional, and after that, iwasan mo na lang, diba? Kasi minsan, hindi naman talaga natin nagugustuhan yung mga ugali ng iba nating mga katrabaho, di ba? Oo. So, job security, you're going to enhance your job security. You will stay current with industry trends. So, kumbaga, makikisabay ka rin sa pagbabago, sa trends ng career mo, ng business mo, kung may business ka, or kung ano yung mas, kung nasa marketing ka, kung paano yung mga strategies ng marketers para mas maging stable yung sales pagdating sa business if you have a business. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.